morning, Browick School. What are we going to do today? Learn, enjoy, succeed. So lots of people are going to be watching this at home on Friday. But actually, do you know what day it is today for us? It's Thursday. So we're recording this a day ahead, and we've got Evelyn and Arian and Lola. Turn around and wave at the camera. Say hi. So there's some of us in school today and lots of you at home, and you're going to watch this when you come to school tomorrow, so that's really funny, isn't it? Yeah. So let's pretend it's Friday while we do our assembly. It's Friday and it's celebration assembly. And what do we sing on a Friday? It's Friday, Friday, Friday. Oh, it's Friday, Friday, Friday. Oh, very good singing. Excellent. Okay, let's go and find out all the amazing things that are happening today. That's a good start, isn't it? Let's see if we can get it to change. Here we go. So, we have had such an amazing week, haven't we? You guys at school have done some brilliant things, and all the work that you've been doing here, all the children at home have been doing exactly the same thing, and we have seen some super fantastic things. Your staff have made some amazing videos, your teachers and all of the support staff who work in your classrooms. That's been emailed in to the teachers, and they've been absolutely blown away by what an amazing job you've done. And if you're watching this at home, then you are definitely engaging with home learning, because otherwise you wouldn't be watching assembly. So well done to every single one of you. We are going to celebrate some of those things in the newsletter. We're getting it together at the moment, and then assembly on Monday will be sharing all of those things in the newsletter. So not everybody can get in every week, but there'll be lots of information about all of you, okay? So, life has been a little bit different this week, hasn't it? Because most people have had to stay in their houses, and you three have come to school every day, but most people have been at home. But I think that everybody has done a super fantastic job, because you're lucky to be here, but all of those people who are at home, their parents or their nans or whoever looks after them has to become their teachers. So they get to watch the videos like you do and find out about all the things that are happening and all the ways that they have to do their work. But then if they need any help, then an adult at home has to help. And they have done an amazing job of that. They have done a brilliant job of being teachers. The children have done an amazing job of carrying on with their work. The teachers have done an amazing job of not being too shy about recording themselves on the camera, because it feels a little bit funny to do it sometimes. So everybody has been excellent. And hey, it's been so much fun, because it's been like through the keyhole. You've seen inside all of our houses, and we've seen inside all of your houses at home with all these amazing videos that you're sending us, and we love it. Keep it coming. Thank you so much. Okay, I think, yep, this is the one that we're going to do next. So, have you been doing the housework challenge at home? You might not have done this one. All the people who are at home have been given a challenge to do, and you could do this in the hours that you're not at school if you wanted to, where they have been asked to see how many jobs they can do around the house to help out the adults, because it's very busy trying to run a homeschool and do a job and look after a house at the same time. And we know that children are amazing at helping, and we have seen some fantastic evidence of what people have been doing. We've seen some videos, we've seen some emails, we've seen some photographs, and people are doing lots of things to help. So what's been happening here is your teachers and support staff have been keeping these points in your houses, and we're going to keep count. So, any butterflies here? Give us a cheer! Give us a cheer at home if you're a butterfly! Any chicks? Give us a cheer at home if you're a chick. Any spiders? Excellent. Cheer at home if you're a spider. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Here come the points. Whoa, amazing first week. So what this means is that butterflies did 68 things to help around the house. That is so helpful for your parents and everyone else at home. Well done. Chicks did 48 things, which is also brilliant. And spiders did 50 things. All of those jobs that have helped your mums and dads. Well done, everybody, for joining in. Okay, accumulator total. So this is the first week. So today, these are exactly the same. But next week, we will add on the points from this week and the points from next week. And we're going to keep a tally for all the time that school are shut. And when we get back to school, after all the schools have reopened, then we are going to have an amazing celebration breakfast for the winning house. Housework challenge points are kept separately to the rest of the house points. Remember that. Okay, then it's time for, can you help me sing? Star of the week. Star of the week. Star of the week. Star of the week. Hooray, well done. Lola, can you pass me the certificates, please? They're just on the chair, just there. So the teachers have been collecting all of this work and all these amazing things, thank you, that you've been doing, and we're going to share them with you now. 3 of us to clap today. Can you do big claps for me to help all the people at home? Because they'll be clapping too, but we can't hear them. Okay, here we go. So, Willow class first. And the first one is for Bilal. Give him a clap. Clap, Arian. Good boy, well done. This is for being a keen learner and working hard. He's been doing some brilliant learning at home. Well done, Bilal. And the other one in Willow class is for Fred. Give him a clap. Well done. Nice big clap so everyone can hear you at home is really good. For working really hard with his family at home. Now, Bilal and Fred, I'm sure George and Dower have been working hard as well. Just so happens that you two got them for your for your class this week. Okay. Right, that's a blank one. That's a blank one. That's a blank one. I thought this felt like a fat pile of certificates today. Okay, where's the next one? Here we go. We are in Birch class. And the first one is the birthday girl from this week. It's Hazel. Big clap, big clap. Hazel has been really active and engaged with remote learning. Well done, Hazel. And somebody else doing exactly the same thing, doing an amazing job of all their home learning. Here's Jessie. Give him a clap. Okay, we are moving into Redwood because they're next on my list. And the first one in Redwood is Stanley. Okay, Stanley has been super helpful and completing the chores. Well done, Stanley. And we've got an assembly coming about that next week for those of you who might not have been quite so proactive just yet. And the next one is for Rupert. This says for writing a fantastic explanation about which shape is the odd one out in maths. We did that lesson, Orion, didn't we? And we got it right too. Can you remember which one it was? Which one was it? It was the rectangle. I wondered if that might be a test of your memory, but you got it right. Well done. Right then, Maple class. Oscar! Well done, Oscar, for excellent presentation of work completed at home. People have done some brilliant work at home, but your presentation isn't always quite as good as it is at school. So, well done, Oscar. You are setting the example to us all. And Abigail! Give her a clap, give her a clap! Orion, give her a clap! Good job! For embracing remote learning and sending friends words of encouragement. That's really nice. Well done, Abigail. Sycamore class. This one is for Devon. For writing a wonderful story and sending us your video. I watched that video too, Devon, and it was really lovely. And your presentation actually was excellent as well. Good job. Okay, Daisy D. Oh my goodness, Daisy. This says, working really hard despite having chicken pox. Hi, Daisy. Get well soon. I hope you're okay. You can wave to her if you want to. And another one for Sycamore class. This is for Oscar! For completing all your work this week. Super job. Well done, Oscar. Right, I've got some sports awards, and these come in sibling pairs actually this week. So the first two are Theo and Taylor. I might make a bigger noise if I cut my certificates, I might do that. They have been doing a brilliant job of playing rock, paper, scissors. I really like the look of that game. Mrs. Robertson was also very good at this. Did you see her on the video? She was ace. Okay, and another sibling pair doing well at that is Olivia and Megan. So they did brilliantly at rock, paper, scissors too. And then a pair of sisters who did an excellent job with their throwing technique and were also very enthusiastic. And that is Stella and Aggie. So if you have been doing Mr. Bavington's challenges, he would love to see some photos and videos of you. He is checking the Maple class emails, or if you email them over to your class, then they can pass them on for you. It'd be nice to see some more of those. Okay, and last but not least, Oak class. So we've got one for Rinky. Rinky Dinky Doo, for writing a lovely Victorian diary entry and taking the time to edit her work. Well done. And last but not least, one for Toby, for writing a fantastic list of what he pledges to do every day. And I couldn't fit it all on the certificate, but Miss McFetridge said that you've done a really great job of mixing that up and keeping it really interesting. So well done, Toby. Okay, well done to all of our stars of the week. Last big clap. Good job to all of you. Excellent. Right, house points this week. Oh, we didn't get a drum roll because I forgot to do the big reveal. Sorry about that. But where are the butterflies? Woo! 79 points this week. Well done. 79 amazing pieces of work and super duper things done at home. Awesome. Where are the chicks? Woo! None in here. 65 brilliant things for you. Well done. And where are the spiders? Woohoo! 71 points for the spiders. Excellent. Well done. Yes, Arian?
The butterflies won.
Yeah, is he right? Which is the biggest number? Who won? Butterflies. Well done. Amazing maths, Arian. That's a great job. So, yeah, Spider was off by 8. More great maths. Well done. So this week, butterflies won. But what I've done for you on the next slide is I've told you who's winning overall this year. Because at the end of the year, remember, what do we play for? What's our big celebration for the house that wins? An ice cream party. So I thought you might like to see this too. These are big numbers, so this is going to be much harder to work out. I'll help you. Accumulated totals. Butterflies, 2,874. Woo! Chicks, 2,867. Just behind. Woo! And spiders, 2,854. Woo! So who is winning overall at the moment? Who's got the biggest? Who's got the most? Have a think about it at home, see if you can tell us. Butterflies! All three of you got that. Amazing. Good job. Well done. Okay, so for this part of the video, you'll see this bit tomorrow when you watch it. We are going to cut to a pre-recorded clip. So I am sitting here with Miss Steady, who has been doing her teaching placement with us this term. And this is the end of her placement. So this is her final week at Braywick Court. So she's been helping Oak class with their home learning this week, and she's come in to help us look after some of the children who still have to come to school because their parents are doing very important jobs helping the country. And so she's here with me today, but after today I'm not going to see her anymore, because when you watch this video on Friday, that will be her last day. She's going back to her other school. So we would like to say a really big thank you for everything that you've done, and a big well done for having such an awesome placement and doing some really brilliant lessons with the children. They've really enjoyed having you.
Thank you.
Would you like to give a message to Oak class?
I would. Thank you so much for welcoming me into your class. I've loved getting to know every single one of you. It's been such a great experience, and I've learned so much, and I hope you have too. Even though this week has been a bit different, I've loved seeing what you've done, and I think you've achieved so much. I'm really proud of every single one of you, and I want to say thank you so much, and I hope the rest of your home learning goes really well, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, back to the studio. Here we go. We've got some birthdays coming up today, I think, and over the weekend. So it's time for us to do some singing. Okay, so last day of home learning for the week. Happy weekend, everybody. You've done an absolutely amazing job. Well done. Children, you don't need to carry on with your home learning at the weekend. You can do loads of other things and have lots of fun. You can do some work if you want to, but you don't have to. And little tips for the adults, just to let you know, letting you into a secret. Teachers, don't wait until dinner time to drink on a Friday. Okay, I thought we would finish with our favourite song.
That's right.
Okay, everybody joining in at home, please. We need all the people in the house, not just the children. I've got some here to help me. Little brothers and sisters, mums, dads, nans, granddads, anybody else who might be with you. Let's all join in. Here we go. This is our favourite Easter song. We've only got one more week to sing this for. Do I need to double click? Here we go. Yes, ready?
Yeah.